I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Let's open that long trade here. This is a very relatively good entry point for this trade. We are following the trend. Let's highlight the trading area. The movement is very dynamic here. I am more inclined to analyze and focus on technical movements here. Here we see that the pullbacks are approaching the midline, the moving average of our channel.
Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown and start trading with knowledge, not luck.
Here we see a fairly strong pullback, and accordingly after this pullback we will open a long trade. I think I'm absolutely right here, and our trade should close in profit. Two good pullback is in place because the movement has already crossed the moving average, and in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, you understand me perfectly, and as I said, the deal closed smoothly and we made a profit.
Patience isn't about doing nothing, it's about choosing the right nothing at the right time. When there is no clarity, I do not act. That's why I call my style controlled waiting. The longer I wait, the cleaner my equity curve.
Let's open a long trade right here, why not? I don't think there is anything wrong with that. I think the moment will move higher. Let's highlight the working area. This is a very interesting entry point. We see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that the RSI is exiting the oversold zone, so I think we should definitely open a long trade here. We also have a good touch point. Overall, let's watch the outcome. The candle has already provided its main moment, so the trade could close at this level, more or less, and in theory this is possible and should be expected. We have 10 seconds left and so far I am completely satisfied with the movement of this candle. The most important thing is that there wasn't a downward impulse in the final seconds. It didn't happen and the trade smoothly in profit.
Every loss I accept with respect, because it reminds me I am here to learn, not to prove. The market doesn't owe me recovery, I owe my self-control. And that's where my real growth begins. Recovery isn't luck, it's discipline returning.
Want to start in trading but don't know how to begin? In my Sawyer community on Telegram you will get free practice, real strategy, breakdowns and daily trading signals with over 70% win rate. No fees, no nonsense, just results. Join us and see how fast you can grow when you learn the right way.